Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about our Tutti Frutti shade cream blush and the best way to apply it. The formula of the blush is a wet cream with a sheer, buildable coverage that gives a dewy finish to leave the skin looking fresh and dewy. For best application, we recommend starting by applying a small amount to the centre of the cheek. Then you can gradually build the brightness of the colour to suit your complexion. We recommend dabbing the product into the pan, and you can use the lid or the back of your hand to test what the product looks like before you apply it straight to the skin. Another great tip is to use a clean brush. Here we've used Peachy 15, and you can use this to wipe around the outside of the area to soften the blend of where the blush is applied. Then we can go back in with our Peachy 19 brush, where we can add the depth and brightness of the colour of the blusher. The pigment in this shade will pop on all skin tones. The lighter you dab the product, the brighter it will look. Not only can this be worn on the cheeks, our cream blush makes an amazing coral lip tint when patted over the lips, and this will leave your lips and cheeks looking and feeling soft and dewy. The cute mini compact fills 2.5 grams of blush, and it's perfect to keep in your handbag. Something else that's fab to know about this product is it's vegan and cruelty free. So we hope you love it, and please feel free to tag us when you're wearing your blush shade.